Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to introduce to you the special CPU family of MIPS processors. The MIPS architecture is a RISC-based instruction set architecture that was developed by MIPS Computer Systems. MIPS stands for Microprocessor Without Interlocked Pipeline Stages. Interlocking is a mechanism used in pipeline processors to prevent data hazards. Such data hazard occurs when an instruction depends on the result of a previous instruction that has not yet completed. Interlocking is then used to stall the pipeline until the data is available. Interlocks were therefore viewed as a major performance barrier. The MIPS design in this context aimed to remove any need for interlocking, permitting a single cycle throughput. MIPS processors are therefore known for their high performance and low power consumption. They are used in many different types of devices, from smartphones to supercomputers. Over a little more than a decade, the MIPS architecture evolved from 32-bit low frequency in the early 1980s to 64-bit high-performance processors in the late 1990s. In November 1998, so exactly 25 years ago to this date, NEC Corporation introduced the VR12,000 or VR12K, which is the reason for this anniversary video on my channel. The VR12K was placed performance-wise in the highest class of microprocessors in the world at that time. The chip was intended for use by major equipment manufacturers such as SiliconGraphics, Siemens Nixdorf and Tandem Computers, and NEC itself. For instance, it was used in NEC's supercomputers and several SGI machines like O2, Optane 2, Onyx 2 and Origin. The VR12300 microprocessor operates at 300 MHz using a 64-bit RISC design with 64K first-level cache. Developed jointly with SiliconGraphics, the microprocessor is compatible with the MIPS 4 instruction set architecture. The more than 7 million transistors were produced at a 250 nanometer node. How the microstructure looks like I can only demonstrate by decapping the chip followed by microscopy. In order to remove the golden lid at the backside of the ceramic chip, I will use a heat gun operating at 650 degrees. Well, let's get right to it. Alright, I think that went well.